Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about the latest cybersecurity threats you should be aware of. As technology advances, so do the tactics used by cybercriminals. It's crucial to stay informed and take the necessary steps to protect yourself and your data. First up, we have phishing scams. These are still a major threat as they continue to evolve and become more sophisticated. Be cautious when clicking on links or downloading attachments, especially if they seem suspicious. Next, we have ransomware attacks. These are becoming more common, and they can be devastating. Make sure to keep your software up to date and use strong passwords. Lastly, we have supply chain attacks. These are becoming more prevalent as hackers target companies that provide essential services. Be cautious when using third-party services and make sure to do your research. Remember, knowledge is power. Stay informed and take the necessary steps to protect yourself and your data. Thank you for tuning in, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more cybersecurity tips. Until next time, stay safe out there.